Welcome to this journey of prosperity and success. I invite you to open your heart and mind to receive these positive affirmations. Simply relax and allow your mind to freely absorb the words. There is no need to remember them all. They will flow to you like a pure stream, bringing you peace and connection with your higher self. Everything is energy. My thoughts and emotions vibrate at frequencies that create my reality. Each moment is an opportunity to create abundance, success, and peace. I open myself to receiving prosperity and success on my own terms. What I seek is also seeking me. I am deserving of success. I attract success from the heart, and my mind is a faithful companion to my heart. I connect with infinite universal energy and let it guide me. My passion and joy in life are the signs of my purpose. I choose to follow this path, courageously pursuing what I love. I am grateful for all the success I have achieved. Success and prosperity come to me in many different ways. I am becoming the best version of myself, and each day I grow more grateful for what I have. Happiness and abundance are choices, and I choose them every day. I release old beliefs that no longer serve my growth. I am reprogramming myself to align with a higher purpose. Acceptance is the key to freedom, and I am now stepping onto that path. Everything I seek is already within me, and I only need to open myself to receive it. I am radiant light. I create value for others through actions from the heart. I welcome success from many sources and know that I am guided by universal wisdom. Each day, I continue to move forward with gratitude and faith in the power of life. I am part of the infinite universe. Prosperity and success flow through me from all directions, and I share this abundance with the world around me. I choose to live with compassion, love, and wisdom, knowing that we are all connected in the flow of abundance. I am enough. I am valuable. I am love. I am success.